Welcome to another Forcite tutorial on how to install and remove speakers from your helmet. This tutorial can be applied for all Forcite speakers. We will commence by removing the chin curtain from your helmet by pulling the tabs from either side, then gently wiggle and pull the chin curtain from the helmet. Next, we will be removing the cheek padding by pulling the buttons from either side of the helmet. Then, gently pull the cheek padding from the helmet. Notice the speaker on the side of the helmet. Gently pull the speaker from the cavity of the helmet. Now gently pull the cable of the speaker and raise it from the side of the electronics module. Once raised, unplug the speaker from the module. Repeat the same steps for the other side of the helmet. Now you have removed your speakers from your Forcite helmet. For the installation of speakers, it is important to ensure that the adapter from the speaker and the module are matching like shown before connecting them together. Connect the speaker to the adapter of the electronics module and tuck the cable along the edge of the module and helmet. Then, place the speaker in the cavity of the helmet. Please consider using the speaker spacers provided to ensure the best quality of sound for you. Repeat the same for the other side. Once the speakers are connected and positioned correctly, install your padding back into your helmet. You have now installed your Forcite speakers. Thanks for watching.